I guess you have to coach your opponent because I don't really think in that negative sense. I think we gain more advantage from it than disadvantages. So when you do the risk management, I think it gives us more in terms of that. So I think it's something that we'll continue to do.
Quite interesting note by me. I see the left back coming in midfield quite a few times. Is that deliberate or just or is it instruction or just a moment of play?
First game of the season, I don't want to say a lot. Watch us a little bit more and see if we continue to do it.
All right, so here with Davion Ferguson, defending champion, head coach of Jamaica College. Coach, talk to me about Tivoli Garden. They start on their team. I feel like a resilient bunch, up until the 25th minute they were giving you guys some problems. And what did they offer to your team today and what did you have to change to ultimately break the deadlock?
Tivoli is a quality team, we knew that. We saw what they had last season in terms of what they brought to the table. They won the Walker Cup. So we knew that they would have been a difficult opponent. The first game you want to really blow off the cobwebs. We had a lot of 14, 15 and 16 years old out there today. So we really wanted to really wet their feet in the competition. But to go up against a team as Tivoli in your first game is never easy, and I think they made it a little bit difficult for us.
Coach, something that I like about JC is that you guys get the best to represent you. We see Tawi in Lynch in goal. Talk to me about some of the additions that you're adding and what will a keeper like Tawi Lynch offer to your team?
But I'll say this, that we're the school of champions. We always try to raise our level. What we did last year was remarkable, and we're trying to see how we can do even better this year. Not in the sense of only silverware, but trying to be better at our game model. And I think players like those really help us to really put it down solidly on the ground.
Not only on the player side, we see some additions in the technical area. Coach Raymond Watson coming across from KC. We see Winston Taylor from Mona. Coach, what can they offer to your coaching staff to ultimately make you better?
Well, the first and most important thing is what they have themselves. They're both quality people, knowledgeable people, and very experienced. But also we have a friendship outside of football, which helps. So the integration is really seamless, and we can only get better going forward.
All right, talk to me about the defense of your title. You're looking to go on a run that you guys went on a couple of years ago, or just taking it one step at a time?
One step at a time. I'm trying to get these youngsters to be a lot more fitter and a lot more ready for the next game and for the latter part of the season.
All right, Coach, that's it. Thank you, and congrats on your win.